Hi. In this video, we will install pfsense on a VM in VirtualBox. In the VirtualBox Manager, with your pfsense VM selected, click Start, then click Normal Start. When the copyright and distribution notice is displayed, press Enter to accept the notice and proceed. On the Welcome to pfsense screen, ensure that the Install pfsense option is selected, and press Enter. On the partitioning screen, you can select how you want to partition the disk attached to this VM. For this video, we will continue with the Auto ZFS option. On the ZFS configuration screen, press Enter to continue with the installation. Next, you need to select a device type. Since we only have a single disk attached to this VM, we will continue with the Stripe option. On the ZFS configuration screen, press the spacebar key to select the attached disk, then press Enter to proceed. Read the warning message that is displayed. Once done, select Yes and press Enter to start the installation. The installation will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes to complete. After the installation completes, press Enter to reboot the VM. Post-reboot, the pfsense console is displayed. The WAN and LAN interfaces are already configured. The default IP and net mask for the LAN interface is 192.168.1.1/24. The WAN interface is configured to use DHCP. As you can see, the CIDR blocks for our WAN and LAN are in conflict. We will therefore assign a new IP to the LAN interface. To configure a new IP for the LAN interface, type 2 and press Enter. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the IP assignment. Once done, you can access the web UI using the LAN interface IP. The default username for the web UI is admin, and the default password is pfsense. That brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.